The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Admin. Click Config Settings. Search Expense. Set Show Expense to 1. Scroll up and click Sales. Now you can see there is an Expense tab. This has 3 options: Expense List, Expense Groups, and Pay/Voucher Expenses. First, let's look at some initial setup. Click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Data Maintenance. Scroll and click ExpenseLogEntryType. Create an ExpenseLogEntryType. You can choose to set a default GL account ID here, or leave it blank and set the GL account on the voucher when paying the expense. Return to Data Maintenance and click ExpenseLogPaymentType. Enter a payment type. Click Expenses. Click Expense Groups. Click Create Group. You can set up generic or specific groups. For example, you could create a group for each trade show you attend. You can select a payment type, or leave it blank. Click Create. Scroll and click Expenses. Click Add Expense. Here your employee can add their expenses. They should add the amount, payment method, user type, group, notes, and date. The vendor expense cost center GL account, if not auto-populated, can be added at the time of vouchering. Click Pay/Voucher Expenses. Check the voucher checkbox for any expenses you wish to voucher. Notice that any expense with a voucher already associated to it will have the voucher ID listed with a hyperlink. Click Create Voucher. Here you can use the standard voucher process. Remember that expenses do not hit the ledger until vouchered. The expenses will list as a split. If you have a GL account set to the expense type, they will auto-populate here.